Heavy and Tom Frazier, and this is our beautiful 1964 and a half Mustang, and this is where it all began with extremely rare and low production date. Tom?
The Mustang was introduced April 17, 1964 at the World's Fair in New York. One of the most important cars ever invented, done by a Coca that still continues today in 2016. This car was produced April 24th, 7 days after the introduction of the initial Mustang. The date code of the parts of the engine on the V8 289 engine are dated all mid-April. It makes it a very rare car. All the body panels are original, all the floors are original on the car. All the engine parts and the original data tag show this is an original Mustang.